just got this chair today. I want to show you what it looks like before I load it up into my wife's car. Give you a quick review on it. It's very, very easy to assemble. It's a smallish kind of chair. It does come in this box, pretty small, really easy to get this into any kind of car. You got your tool pack here, really, really easy assembly. They do include spares, which is really nice. All you need is a Allen key to assemble it. Instructions, really, really straightforward. No issues whatsoever. Had the entire thing assembled in maybe 10-15 minutes. So here's the chair itself. Very comfortable. Padding's nice. This isn't too thick, but does add a nice look to it. It's fairly light, except for the base. Base is heavy, of course, keep it stable. Good padding. I like the mesh here. Again, it's kind of a smallish chair, so if you're kind of low on space, this will work really, really well for you. I do like it quite a bit. Really, really smooth operation. Really, really comfortable. I do like the design. I could see straight through it. You have your lock here, so if you want to lock it so that the chair can't actually move back, you do that. Pull it out, and you can actually rock the chair back and forth, which is really nice. Feels nice and sturdy. Doesn't feel weird at all. If you want to make that a little bit tighter, just adjust it from here, and that's pretty much it. Of course, if you want to make the chair go up and down, hold that up, and works really, really well. It's a comfortable chair. It came with no defects, no faults at all. Seems to be made really, really strong, really easy to put together, and yeah, I like it. It's good for the price. I think it was 45 bucks at the time that we purchased it. It's a good buy. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll get right back to you.
Work in comfortable style with the Amazon Basics low back computer chair. This comfortable task chair has a simple pneumatic control to lower or raise your chair, as well as smooth rolling casters and a 360-degree swivel. It features a contoured mesh back for breathability and a 2-inch thick padded seat for maximum comfort. Look no further for the perfect office chair than the Amazon Basics low back computer chair.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.